Thank you for joining us at xm.com for this Forex Preview video. I'm Christina Marujos, and joining me today is Senior Investment Analyst Rafi Boyajian. We'll be having a look at Australian data out this week, the RBA, and of course, the outlook for the Aussie. Now, Rafi, we're going to get monthly employment numbers out of Australia early on Thursday, but following the RBA's announcement that it's going to hold an unscheduled meeting the same day, I think that's what everyone's going to be watching. So, what should we expect from the RBA?
Well, that is right. The RBA meeting will be the main focus on Thursday. Now, the employment numbers, they're unlikely to be market moving, given that what everyone is focusing on right now is the impact of the coronavirus and the response by policymakers. Now, the RBA, the fact that they pre-announced their emergency meeting means that they're almost certain to cut interest rates on Thursday. We're expecting them to cut them to by 25 basis points to 0.25%. However, the policymakers have already signaled that interest rates are unlikely to drop below 0.25%. So this raises the question as to what else can we expect from the RBA, and the big speculation is right now is that the RBA is preparing to launch its own quantitative easing program. Now, most central banks around the world have already had some sort of QE program over the past 10 years, mainly following the financial crisis of 2008. The RBA, though, didn't have to resort to QE back then because the Australian economy didn't really do too badly during the crisis. This time around now, it's a different story for the Australian economy. We're seeing huge impact from the travel restrictions, as well as, of course, the fall in demand in major commodities, which Australia is a big exporter of. So the RBA will probably have no option but to announce a QE package on Thursday.
I see. Now, turning to the Australian dollar, it's been one of the worst affected major currencies from this virus crisis. Is there any chance an RBA stimulus can ease the selling pressure for the Aussie?
Well, that is possible, and we shouldn't rule out a bit of a rebound in the Aussie, because if the RBA was to announce a big enough stimulus package on Thursday, and that was to succeed in lifting market sentiment, then the Aussie could recover from its current 17-year lows. In the bigger picture, though, the Aussie's direction is still being determined by this virus fallout and the global risk sentiment. So unless we see significant change in that picture, where all the countries around the world appear to start to contain, have some success in containing the virus, and then we see a more sustained recovery, improvement in risk appetite. Until then, the risks for the Aussie will unfortunately remain tilted to the downside.
I see. Rafi, thank you for joining me today. And thank you for watching this Forex Preview video here at xm.com.